Ever wondered how successful investors protect their assets and save big on taxes? Well, today we're diving into the world of land trusts and how they play a crucial role in property growth strategies. Let's kick things off by understanding what land trusts are and why they are essential in the realm of real estate investments. These legal arrangements offer a unique way to safeguard properties while reaping significant tax benefits. As real estate investors, we often face challenges when it comes to protecting our assets and minimizing tax liabilities. Traditional methods may not always offer the level of security and financial advantages that we desire. This is where land trusts come into play, providing a solution to these common hurdles. Now let's delve into the perks of incorporating land trusts into our investment strategies. From maintaining anonymity to shielding assets from potential lawsuits and enjoying tax advantages, land trusts offer a plethora of benefits that can elevate our property portfolios to new heights. Picture this: a real estate investor who leveraged land trusts to navigate complex legal landscapes, protect their assets, and ultimately achieve remarkable property growth. This highlights the power of strategic planning and the impact that land trusts can have on our investments. In summary, integrating land trusts into our real estate ventures can be a game changer. The key advantages such as asset protection, tax savings, and anonymity position us for long-term success and substantial property growth. It's a smart move that savvy investors are making to secure their financial future. Now that you've learned about the benefits of land trusts, continue watching other videos to explore more creative real estate investment strategies. Check out our other videos for valuable insights, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Together, let's take our property investments to the next level.